Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Kia Forte. Start by warming the engine briefly, then park on level ground and set the parking brake. Lift the front with a jack and secure with jack stands. Remove the oil fill cap to help drainage, then slide the drain pan under the oil pan. Wear gloves and protective eyewear for safety throughout the job. Remove the drain plug carefully and let the old oil drain completely into your pan, taking care to avoid hot oil splashes. While it drains, loosen and remove the oil filter using a filter wrench, keeping the pan underneath. Clean the drain plug and inspect the oil pan for debris, then reinstall the plug with a new crush washer and torque to the recommended spec. Dispose of used oil responsibly. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video for more car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great after a messy oil change. It makes the drive home more pleasant and a little less oily. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick one up, thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Screw in the new oil filter by hand until gasket contacts, then tighten another 3/4 turn. Pour in the specified amount of fresh oil through the filler neck, then reinstall the cap and start the engine for a minute to circulate oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the dipstick and top off as needed. Verify there are no leaks under the car before lowering it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.